Welcome back, guys. So we are here with the second part of what we are learning, that is fractions. So today we are going to learn addition of fractions. So in this video you will learn about addition of fractions, reduction of fractions, least common multiple, that is LCM, and tips and tricks about fractions, and even conditions of reduction and addition. So let's begin. So let's revise what you have learned. Fractions are a part of a something. There are two types of fractions: proper fractions and improper fractions. Proper fractions are smaller than 1 or equal to 1, and improper fractions are greater than 1. Addition of fractions. So when we add numbers, for example 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, what are we doing in this? Let me convert it into fraction form, or write it in another way. 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 is equal to 2. Think. Pause the video and try to think, what are we doing? Well, I think you have guessed the right thing. We are making the denominator equal or same. That's what we need to know. 1/4 plus 2/4, or 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 3, which is equal to 1. So in this case 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. So over here 4 and 4, the denominators are 4. So that is 1 plus 2 upon 4, which is equal to 3 upon 4. That's the thing you need to know. So while adding fractions, the basic thing is make the denominator same. How do we make denominators equal? Well, there are two variations. So first see why we need to make denominators equal. 3 upon 16 plus 9 upon 32. So in this case over here, the denominators are not equal. So there are 16 on one side, 32 on the other side. Or even 55 upon 110 plus 1 upon 2. Over here 110 and 2. So there is large difference. But the fraction is the same. You need to make the denominators equal. Yes. How to do that? Well, there are two ways. The first way by which we can make 3 upon 16 plus 9 upon 32 equal is by finding the common multiple of 16 and 32. That is the least common multiple. So over here the least common multiple will be 32, because 16 into 2 is equal to 32 and 32 into 1 will be equal to 32. So 16 into 2 is equal to 32 and 32 into 1 is equal to 32. So the rules are, when you do operation to denominator, you will also have to do it to the numerator, and vice versa for numerator. That means if you do an operation for a numerator, you have to do it for denominator also. Addition. So you do it like 3 upon 2 and 16 into 2 is plus 9 upon 32 is equal to 6 plus 9 upon 32, that is equal to 15 upon 32. This fraction cannot be reduced. That we will see about later what is reduction. But 15 upon 32 is the answer. Second method, reduction. So this method is applicable when you have to make smaller numbers, or this method can be also used to simplify fractions, that we will see. So over here the first fraction is divisible or reducible. So 100 upon 1000 can be simplified to 1 upon 10, because 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So if you are given a sum where the answer is 100 upon 1000, what you need to do is you need to simplify it. For that you need to reduce it. So how can we do that? Just by division, as you do. So 100 divided by 1000, that is 0.1 or 1 upon 10. That's so simple. So 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 will be equal to 2 upon 10, which is equal to 1 upon 5. Again, reduction, 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. So 1 upon 5. So some important notes. Improper fractions are also added like that as proper fractions. So for example, here 110 upon 36 plus 110 upon 36, that is equal to 220 upon 36. Just the problem with adding improper fractions that it cannot be kept as it is. It has to be converted into mixed fraction, or it has to be converted into decimal. We will cover mixed fractions in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to visit our channel page also. So it depends when to multiply or divide in order to add. So sometimes it's easy to multiply, or sometimes it's easy to divide. So you have to think which way is easier for you. Finding LCM is the best way in order to multiply to add. We will cover LCM in detail later. So here is the exercise for you. 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4. So what you need to do when you here is you have to find LCM, because none of these fractions are reducible or divisible. So pause the video and find out the answer. Ready? So the answer will be 5 upon 4, because 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, because 1 into 2 and 2 into 2. So because 2 into 2 is equal to 4 and 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So answer will be 5 upon 4. Or when we convert it to mixed fractions, it will be 1 upon 4. 45 upon 12 plus 4 upon 3 is equal to. Pause the video and find out the answer. The answer will be 61 upon 12. We have to convert it into mixed fraction, but for convenience, I have not converted into mixed fraction. 6 upon 7 plus 2 upon 14. 7 upon 7, which is equal to 1. And last is 5 upon 10 plus 1 upon 2. Ready? So the answer is 2 upon 2, which is again equal to 1. So hope you guys got all correct. And so that was all. Thank you for watching our video. And what to do? Subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching, and bye.